Next, I will guide you on how to create a conversation using TTSOPENAI.com. You select Story Maker, then click the Add Conversation button to start creating the conversation. Here, you can name the block, then enter the content of the first dialogue in the input text box and choose the voice. You can listen to the sample voice here. You can search for voices by gender, age, and nationality. Additionally, you can select local accents provided by TTSOPENAI.com. In this case, I choose Echo as the voice for reading. Similarly, for the second dialogue, you enter the content and choose the voice. Here, I choose Shimmer as the voice. Next is the third dialogue, and I choose Onyx as the voice. And the final dialogue, I choose Nova as the voice. After inputting the conversation, you select the audio output quality, then click Create Story to proceed with the translation. When a pop-up appears, you name the conversation and choose the output format, which is MP3 by default. Then click the Let's Start Creating button to start the conversion. After the translation is complete, you can check it in the History section. After the translation is complete, you can either listen to the full conversation or listen and download the individual character lines here. And here's the result you have received. Have you tried the new recipe I shared? It's a delicious twist on a classic dish.
Yes, I did. It was absolutely amazing. I loved the combination of flavors and the unique presentation.
I'm glad you enjoyed it. I've been experimenting with different ingredients to add a modern touch to traditional recipes.
Well, your creativity definitely paid off. I can't wait to try your next culinary creation.
Thank you for using TTSOPENAI.com.